Hey, guys, we are back again. This time round, it's gonna be more fire, right? So, there's an area that I want us to discuss, and I know this area you've always experienced. Okay, you know this area so much, so you're concerned with it. So, we just want to talk about something to do with the operations. Okay, so allow me to set up my camera in a well manner, in a very nice way. Okay, so please bear with me for a second as I'm yup. Now I think I'm now fine. So the first question is that I want us to work out that. So we have 28 plus 14 divided by 2. 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So what's the answer? 28 plus 14 divided by. So what's the answer, guys? So as usual, you just comment down there and tell us the answers that you've got. 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So what's the answer, guys? What's the answer? What's the answer, guys? We have 28 plus 14 divided by 2. The answer. Just your answer below and check how well you understand the basic maths operations. So we're working out the first question. 28 plus 14 divided by 2 was the answer, guys. And make sure you subscribe. So make sure you have subscribed and working out. Share your answers below. And let's check how far you know the order of operation. The order of operation. So let's check how well you know the basic maths operation. Okay. 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So how well do you understand the basic maths? 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So answers on the comment section. So let's share the answers. So let's share the answers that you've got so that I work it out also. So as a rule, you're not supposed to use the calculator. You are not 28 plus 14 divide by 2. 28 plus 14 divide by 2. Answers on the comment section. Okay, Kin Ken says, can you show me the examples? Okay, maybe if you work it out first of all, then from there I'll be able to show how it is being done. Maybe you just try and show how you've got it. So from there now we can work it out together. Okay, 28 plus 14 divide by 2. So 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So what's the answer? I'm waiting for the answer together. 28 plus 14 divided by 2. Anyone who has got the answer? Anyone who has got it? 28 plus 14 divided by 2. Anthony Kiambi is saying hi, add 56 and 45. So from there, Anthony, what's the answer after you've added 56 and 40? So all you are saying the answer is 56, 45. Oh, Ken says the answer is 187. 187 or 18. Maybe if you can correct me. Is it 187 or is it 7? So maybe let me get the answer. Anthony Kiambi, I still don't get your answer. Is it 56 or is it 45? Maybe if you can correct me there. I see the answer that you've got. Is it 50? Is it 56? Oh, Ken says it's 18. The answer is 18. Okay. Okay. So let's wait for another person to give us the answer and check if the answers are the same. So if the answer that you've got is that someone will also get, then we believe that that one can be the answer to that particular problem. Okay, so we're still waiting for the others to give us the answer so that from there now we can proceed it out. Yes, thank you, Ken. Okay, yeah. So we are waiting for another different answer. Someone with a different answer so that from there now we can compare the results for that particular problem. So those who are joining us right now, we are trying to work out 28 plus 14 divided by 2. And let's like the video so that we can get other people to join, and let's also tap the screen so that others can know that you're learning something here. So we are waiting for the answer 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So that is what we are waiting for, the answer. So one of us, that is Ken, have said the answer is 18. Anthony, we are still confused if you've said it is 56 or it is 45. We are still confused. So maybe make it clear for us the answer that you're seeing. Okay. So as usual, let's wait for the others. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do. please do. We have 28 plus 14 divided by 2. 28. For the meantime, can you demonstrate for us how you, if you can, please? Maybe you can type for us a short summary or a short example on how you arrived at 18. Thank you for liking. Thank you for liking the live. Maybe if you can demonstrate for us down there on how you arrived at that particular answer. Okay, 24 plus 14. 24 plus 14 is that is 8, 38. Are you saying 38 or 18? Because can 24 plus 14, we shall arrive at 38, if I'm not wrong. Maybe your answer is 18 or 38. 18 or 38. Or you've changed your mind. Oh, so sorry, you are confused. So now you've settled at 18 or 38. So guys, please write for us the answers that you've got. You're working out 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So can your answer is 30? Oh, 38 now. Okay. Okay, I see. Okay, nice one. I see. Okay. So let's wait for the others to give us the response on this particular question. 28 plus 14 divided by 2. Let's like the video. And also, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, because that is what makes us get motivated to learn. Okay, so I think we can now confirm the answers. Okay, so from here now we have 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So how are we going to work out this? The first thing that we are going to do, we are going to work out this area first. That is 14 divided by 2. So from there you shall get, here is 7. So from there now we shall have 28 plus 7. And now 28 plus 7, our answer shall be 35. So our correct answer is 35. So there is a procedure for working it out. There is this thing that is usually called the BODMAS, I guess. So you can pick the BODMAS, and as usual, when picking the BODMAS, B always stands for the bracket. Then for of can be used to means multiplication. Like we can talk about a half, maybe a half of a fifth. Okay, so this one is of a half of a fifth. So when someone writes a half of a fifth, is like they're saying you're going to work out 1 over 2, that is a half, multiplied by 1 over 5. Where of means multiplication. Oh, now I didn't vertically. Nice one. So I believe right now you know how it is being done, Ken. So now from here, of means multiplication. So we can have 1 times 1, that is 1. So then now 2 times 5 is 10. So now we can have 1 over 10. 1 over 10. So that is how we can work it out. So Let's now move to the next question. So our next question, I want us to work out this other one. So let's work out. So 4 times 2 divided by 2 plus 1. So what's the answer in that case? 4 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 2. Oh, you're very good at maths. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ken. I appreciate. So we have 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 plus 1. So which country are you coming from, Ken? If I may ask, as you are trying to work out the second one, 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 plus 1. 4 times 2 divided by 2 again plus 1. Anyone with the correct answer? So if you're joining, please, I just ask for your favor, like the video, and please also subscribe if you have not done so. So let's proceed. 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 plus 1. Oh, which grade is it? This one is grade 7 and some bits of grade 8. 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 plus 1. Which country are you, Ken? 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay. So anyone to work it out and share the answers with us? Anyone? Anyone? So I'm waiting for the answer so that now we can move to the next. The answer. The answer. We have 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 plus 1. So the response, as a good teacher, the teacher doesn't do first, you let others do. Then now from there, you come up with the final answer. You come up with the final answer. So the response the response So anyone who has got it right? Anyone who has got it right? Anyone? 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 So let's give them around some few minutes so that they are able to work it out for us. A few minutes. Actually, it's not even minutes, seconds. Some few seconds. Oh, Ken, you're saying you are in grade 3. Oh, no, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. This one is, I think, for grade 6. There, yeah, for grade 6, you can be able to get this particular problem. That grade 6, there, yeah, you'll be able to get it. So it's good for us to learn. So we have 4 times 2 divided by 2 plus 1. So how are we going to work out this? So 4 times, oh, Ken, you're from Kenya. Ah, that's nice. Oh, let me help you out with is being worked out, Ken. So we have divided by 2 plus 1. So the first thing that you're going to do, we're going to work out the division first. Like here, we're going to work out the division first. Don't make a mistake of working out the multiplication or starting with the addition. You just have to start working out the division. If at all the division was not there, then first work out the multiplication. Then from there you work out the addition lastly. So meaning that you're going to work out this way. So you're going to work out 4 here, then multiply by, so you're going to take 2 divided by 2. And 2 divided by 2 is, then now we are going to have 1 plus 1. Okay, so from there now we are going to have 4 times 1, that is 4 there. So after you shall have our 4 there, then now remember we've now worked out 4 times 1, that is 4. Then we add to 1 there, and now our final answer shall be 5. So that is how it is worked out. Yeah, 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2, remember, it's 1. So now, now we shall have 4 times 1, then plus 1. Then 4 times 1 is 4, then plus 1 is 5. You've now got it right. I see, now you've got it right. So Ken, I'm also from Kenya. I'm glad you are in Kenya. I'm also from Kenya. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So let's now move to this other one. So let's have this sum. This one might be 2 plus 2 minus 4 divided by 2. So how are we going to work it out? So we have 2 plus 2 minus 4. 2 plus 2 minus 4 divided by 2. So those who are also willing to support us, we've placed our M-Pesa number. So you just click +254, then you have 110040 452. Then you are able to support us as we grow. So let's work out the other one. 2 plus 2 minus 4 divided by 2. 2 plus 2 minus 4 divided by 2. Anyone who has got the answer correct? Anyone? So Ken, are you still there? Anyone who is there can try. It's a matter of trying. As usual, you follow the BODMAS rule. This maths problem deals with the BODMAS rule. So it's a BODMAS rule. You first work out. You check if the bracket is available. If the bracket is not available, you move to of. If you've not seen something that is written of, you move to the next thing. So Ken is saying it is it 66 or Ken or 6? 66 Ken, maybe make your answer more clearer so that you work out this together. So Ken, I've seen your answer. You've got it 66 or 6. So we have 2 plus 2 minus 4 divide by 2. 2 plus 2 minus 4 divided by 2. Oh, 66. I've got you, Ken. Now let's confirm if it is indeed 66. Okay. So as usual, we have to follow something that is called the BODMAS rule. This BODMAS, we just have to understand it clearly. So B stands for bracket. The bracket is not there. O stands for of. Of means multiplication, but it's of. O means OF. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. S means subtraction. So if you're given such a math, you're going to work out. If bracket is not there, you work out the of. If of is not there, you start with the division. So in this case here, we're going to start with the division. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So here, so now we shall say, now we have 2 plus 2 minus, we've worked out this side because 4 divided by 2 is 2. Yeah. Then from there, now we are going to have 2 plus 2, that is 4, then 4 minus 2. And 4 minus 2, our final answer shall be 2. So I believe you've checked where the mistake was, Ken. So it's just a maths rule. It's just a rule. As long as we now become comfortable with that rule for the BODMAS, then working out order of operations is not a big deal because it starts all the way from grade 4. Actually, you are going to grade 4. You will start learning some bits of it in grade 4, coming to grade 5, grade 6, then finally you'll be done with it at grade 7. So any other question? So if there's no question, let's also try another one. So for support, guys, there's a number that we've pinned down there. Oh, you didn't take away. Oh, now I see. So next time you have to work it out. step by step so that you don't leave anything. Now here we have 10. So we have 10 plus 20 divide by 2. So what's the answer for this? 10 plus 20 divide by 2. 10 plus 20 divided by 2. So what's the answer? 10 plus 20 divided by 2. So let's work out that one. So if you're joining the channel for the first time, remember to subscribe. You can also support us through the use of M-Pesa. M-Pesa is a mobile money transfer. So you just have that our number. Then you can appreciate us with something small as you help us to continue sharing the knowledge. So we have 10 plus 20 divided by 2. So maybe let's check who has got. It's a matter of trying. It's all a matter of trying. So if you've got the answer, kindly just write it down below. 10, Ken have said it is 1030. 1030, meaning you've got it as 1030. 1030 means 1030. Or maybe let's get some clarification from you, Ken, like the answer that you have got. 10 plus 20 divided by 2. 10 plus 20 divided by 2. 10 plus 20 divided by 2. Okay, now I've got it clearly. 1030. 1030. So let's wait in the matter of seconds so that you can confirm the answer that you've got. The answer that you've got. So you guys can also support us from the M-Pesa number that you have pinned below. If you are away from Kenya, you just have to key in +254, then 110040 452. So, but if you're in Kenya, you can send for us something small by just key in 011 0040 452. Okay, of our channel. So let's proceed now. So in this case, we have 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2 plus 10 plus 20 divided by 2. So how are we going to work it out? So how are we going to work it out? So this one is how we are going to work it out. So we are going to start with the how do you call it, the division. On working out the division, we are going to work out 20 divided by 2, and 20 divided by 2 is 10. You're like my maths teacher. Oh, thank you so much, Ken. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So here we're going to have this 10 here, down here. So 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 10. So already we've worked out 20 divided by 2. So 20 divided by 2 you've got as 10. So here now plus 10 here. So our final answer shall be 20. So 20 is our final answer. But it will be a mistake for us to work out 10 plus 20, then get 30. Then 30 divided by 2, you will get the answer as 15, which will not be the correct answer. So maybe you can tell us which part of the country are you studying, Ken? Which part? Because I know parts of Nairobi, Kisumu, Mombasa. Name all those countries, all those towns, I mean, or cities. Our final answer shall be 20. Okay. Ndendero. I know Ndendero. Ndendero is in Kiambu County. Actually, I'm just next to Ndendero. I'm in a place called Wangige. So we are just in the same county, that is Kiambu. Okay, so let's proceed. Now we have this one. 20 of 2. This one is of 20 of 2 plus 2. So what's the answer? 20 of 2 plus 2. 20 of 2 plus 2. What is the answer? So remember, you have to follow what is called the BODMAS rule. I have to follow that bracket. If the bracket is not there, you move to the next step, that is of. Of stands for multiplication. And in this our case, we have of because we have 20 of 2, then plus 2. So you just have to check it properly. Then from there you move to D. D stands for division. In this case, you are not going to divide because we don't have a division. Then as we proceed that way. Okay, so we can proceed. So anyone, Ken, are you still there? Maybe if you can, I hope you've tried this. So let's share with us your answer. Even when you get back to school, you'll be able to share this with your classmates and they'll be able to get surprised how come you knew all these things and yet your grade, they still don't allow you to know them. They'll be surprised and being interested of how you're going to help them in working them out. Just be here and learn how. So we have 20 of 2 plus 2. Because we are going to grade 4, you'll meet them in next year. So you're saying the answer is 10, 4. 10, 4. 10, 4. 10, 4 means 104 or 14. 104 or 14. 20 of 2 plus 2. 20 of 2 plus 2. So the answer, I believe, let's just work it this one out for the lastly. This one is our last example. 20 of 2 plus 2. 20 of 2 plus 2. So this one is how we are going to work out this. So 20 of is like now you are having, of means multiplication, 20 times 2, then plus 2 here. So now from here now we shall have 20. So from there we are going to have, already we worked out this. Now we have plus 2 here, plus 2, and our answer shall be 44. 42. So our correct answer is 42. So that is how it is worked out. So I think we've learned something, and we can stop from there. And guys, I encourage you for supporting our channel. Yes, 20 of 2 is, again, 20 of 2 means like 2 of means multiplication. You're simply working out 20 times 2, but not dividing. You know, when you have 20 divided by 2, you get the answer as 10. But of means multiplication. So 20 times 2, you will get 40. And that's why we've got 40 here. Then now 40 plus 2 now becomes 42. So don't confuse with division. Don't confuse of with division. But I can see you are. So I wish you, all of us, support our channel. So let's support our channel even after our live. You can always send something through our M-Pesa number that we've given out, so that we continue to support our channel. So when you are free, you can also, nice one, welcome Ken, you feel much welcome. Maybe we know that you will appreciate us with something, if you don't have now, in the near future. So always also find some maths videos that we've uploaded on our channel, watch them to the end. Let's get to learn something. And also, as you watch, you also like, so that other people can also like those videos. They can also gain something, so that when we now get back to class, we can now able to be more sharper than. So I believe you guys have. So we have 28 plus 14 divide by 2. So anyone who can help us find this 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So let's check the answers on the comment section, please. 28 plus 14 divided by 2. Anyone who has find it, just comment your answer below as we proceed. Just comment your answer below. 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So what's your answer? Your answer, 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So I'm waiting for the answers that you guys have got. 28 plus 14 divided by 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So as usual, I told you that how do you work out this? So you have to check the some of the basics operations like the board mass. So check them very properly, know where you are starting from, and also know where you are ending. So in this case, like, which one are we going to start with? So, and also the answer. So just work out the answer first. Then now from there we shall be able to confirm whatever you've asked, your answers by working them out and confirming if the answers are truly correct, the ones that you shall have given out. Okay, so anyone who has done it, anyone who has worked it out, anyone please who has worked it out, please let's work it out very quick and our answers. 28 plus 14 divided by 2. 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So that is where I think we are, and I believe we are there together. So any response? Any response? So let me know the response on the comment section, please. Response on the comment section so that I can able to start working it out. Any response? 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So there is where we are. 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So how do we go about this? So let me use this one as an example, whereby we are going to say that so here is an example. So this one is our example. So in this example, we're going to use what is called the BODMAS rule. So how are we going to go about it? So we're going to check, right? We are going to check which one are we going to begin with. So in this case, we're going to begin with 14 divided by 2, which is 7. So allow me to write it out. 28 plus 14 divided by 2. So from there, we are going to work out the division sign, and it's this other side. So there we shall say 14 divided by 2 is 7. Then from there we shall add plus 28. So that one shall give us 35 when we add all of them. So it is just as simple as that, as simple as A, B, C, D. Yeah, if we can put it that way. With the question, please just remember to write it down for us. Any other question that you feel like we need to get it, so just write it down for us. So allow me to end this live, so that we shall proceed next time. Bye bye.